Hi, it's Terrarium Crafts. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this wonderful closed terrarium. We'll be using moss, fern and figurines. For a list of all you need and where to buy them, visit my blog. I will link this in the description box and the comment section. First, you will want to create a drainage layer with gravel. Now we want to create a base layer using mesh or plastic, and I just outlined the outside of my jar and cut that out. Start creating small holes in your base layer. It should look something like this. Place it inside your jar and then add your substrate and bark mix. Now add your fern and position it into place. Now do the same for your moss and make sure that it looks good from all angles. We chose to use moss and fern as they are more suitable for closed terrariums. I'm just adding some landscape with some big pebbles. Lastly, add your figurines in place. Mist your terrarium a few times before you close it. Now you're done and you have a wonderful handmade terrarium. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a go at making a terrarium yourself. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. Leave any questions in the comments section and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Bye!